Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to refer a friend on BetMGM. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in BetMGM. Once you press enter, you'll get these kind of results. From this, click on the first link, then it will ask you to select your location. So from this list, select your location. Once you have selected your location, it will take you to its home page. On the top bar, you will see this option promotions. Click on it. Then on this page, you will see this option refer friends and rack up rewards. Click on it. Now in this page, it will show how to refer a friend. Follow this step-by-step process and then click on this button where it says refer a friend. Then it will ask you to log into your account. So enter your login credentials, then click on login. And once you have followed that process step by step, you will successfully refer a friend and both of you will be rewarded. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.